Good evening all. On behalf of Firebird Institute of Research and Management, I welcome you all for this free online webinar. And this webinar is based on the upcoming May MAT examination. Right? So how to prepare for your upcoming May MAT in 30 days? In this webinar, we are going to give you the tips and tricks to crack your May MAT 2023 in the next 30 days. Okay. Now, so the MAT exam pattern consists of 5 parts, as you all know already. Okay, most of the students here have applied for the May MAT examination, and you were all aware of this May MAT examination, right? Mathematical skills, language comprehension, data analysis and sufficiency, intelligence and critical reasoning, Indian and global environment. So in total, under 5 topics, they will ask you questions. Okay. So in each topic, 40 questions will be asked. In total, you have to answer 200 questions, and the time allotted is 2 hours 30 minutes. So that is nothing, 150 minutes. So you need to answer 200 questions in 150 minutes, then calculate how fast you should be. See, you cannot be in a question more than a minute. See, if I split equally, for 200 questions, I need what, 200 minutes, but the time allotted is 150 minutes. So time management is a very, very important factor in all the competitive exams. See, I have seen many students saying that after writing an exam, they used to say that I don't have time, and so the time was not enough. So if any student says like that, just keep it in mind that they are lagging in their practice. So in case of MAT exam, if you want to crack with a good score of 600, even I came to know that many of the top institutions are expecting more than 600 plus nowadays. Even we at Firebird expect a MAT score of 550 plus from the students. Only those students who have at least 500 plus in the MAT exam, they are able to apply for the MBA or PGDM program at Firebird. Okay, so all the top institutions has raised their score level this time. And so to get good score in the upcoming MAT exam, the very important thing you should have is practice. So unless you have a good practice, you cannot crack. Because I have seen the past 3 sessions question paper, September, December as well as Feb. So in all the 3 sessions, the question pattern has become tough when compared to the last year. Okay, so under mathematical skills and data analysis and sufficiency, so you need to enter 80 questions in total. So in these 80 questions, they have covered all the topics. They have not focused on any one topic itself. Okay, so for 80 questions, you have to cover all the mathematical part to have a good score. See, why I suggest to cover all the mathematical part instead of getting thorough with one concept, because see, there are many concepts like average, allocations, time, speed and distance, time and work, and so on. Okay, so if you get a good aptitude book or quantum CAD book, so you will get all the topics list and you can go through. But I cannot say that this particular question will be asked in this upcoming MAT exam or any competitive exam. Okay, but you cannot find the repetition of the question. So I have seen all the 3 sessions question paper, the questions were not repeated in any session. Maybe the model they have asked is same, but maybe due to lack of practice. See, if I get thorough with the average concept, okay, and if I get confident like, okay, I'm thorough with the average concept, I can see if they make any twist in the question based on the average, you may not be able to answer that question. So my request is, instead of focusing, because you have a solid 1 month time, instead of focusing few particular concepts, try to cover all the basic concepts. And also in the mathematical part, I'll suggest you to cover the topics like, because to score a minimum mark, okay, so see, geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, and then coordinate geometry. Okay, so be thorough with these 4 topics first, because these topics are based on formulas. Formulas and concepts. If you get thorough, it is enough if you spend 2 days in these concepts. Okay. Apart from a particular formula, apart from a particular method, they are not going to ask you any twisted question under these topics. It is very tough. If they ask you if the question pattern, then it will go to the CAT exam level. Okay, so first, be thorough with the concepts like geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, coordinate geometry formulas, and try to work out the basic questions under these topics. Okay, this is the thing. And the next part for mathematical skills, data analysis and sufficiency, the very important is you should be thorough with your speed maths. Okay, you should be thorough with your speed maths. Under speed maths, you should cover concepts like fast addition, okay, and then fast multiplication. Basic concepts like multiplication, fast multiplication, the concepts like multiplying a number by 5, multiplying a number by 25, multiplying a number by 11. So these fast multiplication concepts you should be thorough initially. And the very important concept is you should know percentage to fraction concept. So how to convert a percentage to fraction, that is very important. Okay, so you should be thorough with percentage to fraction conversion concept. That is very important. And after covering this percentage to fraction conversion, you should be able to know the square values and square roots and divisibility rules. Okay, these are the few concepts which come under speed maths. So first, before starting with your mathematical skills part like time and work, time, speed and distance, or so and so, be thorough with the basic concepts of fast calculation, fast addition, multiplication, percentage to fraction conversion, finding out the square and square root, and applying divisibility rules. Okay, the next thing you should focus under mathematical part is you should cover the concepts that will help you to work out the questions in mathematical skills as well as data sufficiency. Okay, the topics which cover mathematical skills and data sufficiency are percentage, profit and loss, ratio, proportion and partnership. Ratio, proportion, partnership and Venn diagram basics. Okay, so this is the second part you have to focus. First, try to concentrate on the speed maths concepts and then percentage, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, partnership concepts. Okay, so if you concentrate on percentage, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, partnership concepts, definitely based on these topics, you can expect 20 to 25 questions. Out of 80 questions, 20 to 25 questions you can expect from this topic. Okay, so in data analysis part also, there are questions based on percentage, profit and loss only. Sometimes if they want to set the question tough, they are going for the concepts like time and work, time, speed and distance. Okay, then after covering this part, third, work with geometry, mensuration, trigonometry formulas, coordinate geometry formulas, and fourth part, come to the remaining part. Okay, like LCM and HCF concept. So LCM and HCF concept, that should come in speed maths. Okay, you should know the basics of LCM and HCF concept. Without that, it is very tough. Okay, so then time and work, time, speed and distance, pipes and systems, and calendar based problems, probability, permutation and combination, and so on. Average, allegation. Okay, so cover the remaining parts as the last. Okay, so first be thorough with your speed maths, then just get thorough with your basics of percentage, profit and loss, ratio, proportion, and then cover with the basic formulas of geometry, mensuration, trigonometry, coordinate geometry. Okay, it will take nearly 2 days. And after that, cover the remaining concepts in advance. Definitely, if you follow this strategy, it will help you to crack your upcoming May Math examination. Definitely, you can achieve a good score of 60 plus out of 60 questions. You can attempt out of 80 questions. Okay, this is how you should prepare, right? And next up, the next part you should focus is, I hope you are thorough with this basic. The next part you should focus is intelligence and critical reasoning. Okay, So see, if you study 2 quants topics a day, if you study 1 quants topic, you just go through 1 reasoning topic. Or if you study quants for 2 days, spend time one day for reasoning. Okay. So under intelligence and critical reasoning, so be thorough with the basic concepts like blood relation, direction, syllogism, puzzle, arrangement based problems, okay, then clocks and calendars concept. Okay, these concepts you get thorough. Okay, and then focus on data sufficiency part. In reason. Okay, so these concepts you should get thorough in case of data analysis, and yes, and one more important part is coding and decoding. So in intelligence and critical reasoning, these are the concepts you should be thorough. Okay, and next coming to language comprehension. So first start practicing reading comprehension daily. Okay, try to practice at least 2 passages daily, and while practicing these 2 passages, pick out hard words and write down its meaning, that is synonyms and antonyms. Definitely it will help you to track your vocabulary part. Okay, and the next section you have to focus is grammar. In grammar, just get thorough with parts of speech, and then tenses, direct and indirect speech, active voice and passive voice. Okay, after concentrating on these topics, then study the rules. That is, there are many resources available in the net which gives you the error spotting rules. See, the main thing is that you should focus. See, you should prepare like, you should get to learn rules based on tenses, direct, indirect speech, active voice, passive voice, and also in parts of speech, articles, prepositions, conjunctions. You should study their rules. That is very important. Okay, now, so the first part, you should practice at least 2 passages daily and try to learn new words daily. And the next part is you should get thorough with the basic concepts of grammar. Okay. So if you get thorough with the basic concepts of grammar, it will help you to solve error spotting as well as sentence rearrangement. Okay, at the last you can concentrate on Indian and global environment. See, Indian and global environment, the marks are not considered. Okay, so these are the things you should be thorough, you should focus, and this is the way you have to prepare for your upcoming MAT examination. And the first PBT test date falls on 21st May, and today 16th May is the last date to apply. You can download your admit card from 18th May. And for CBT, first CBT falls on 14th May. And second PBT falls on 28th May. Second CBT falls on 4th June. I think this is the last test date. And there are 4 IBT dates they have released. First IBT date 7th May and 4th May is the last date. Second IBT date 13th is the test date and 11th May is the last date to apply. Third IBT 20th May and 4th IBT 27th May. And see, you can book either second or third IBT is the best choice. So if you are not satisfied with your performance in the third IBT, either again you can apply for 4th IBT or CBT 2 test. Okay, I hope you got some information regarding the upcoming May MAT examination and how to approach this May MAT examination, right? And when coming to topics, the important topics you should concentrate on under mathematical skills: percentage, allegations and mixture, trigonometry, ratio, permutation and combination, mensuration, time, speed and distance, that is train and boats and stream based problems. Yes, the next topic, simple interest and compound interest, pipes and cisterns, profit and loss, geometry, LCM and HCF concept, partnership concept, number system, progression. And also quadratic equation noted down. I have seen some questions based on quadratic equation also, LCM and HCF. Okay, under intelligence and critical reasoning, blood relation, number series, coding and decoding, distance and direction, puzzle type, assertion reasoning type. And see, there are 3 types under blood relations. So go through all the concepts under blood relation, and there are some question paper where out of 40 marks, 10 questions were based on, 10 marks are based on blood relation. Okay, then statement type, puzzle, large question type. Okay, so to crack your intelligence and critical reasoning part, so if you concentrate blood relation, number series, coding and decoding, distance and direction, assertion and reasoning type, at least minimum you can score 15 to 20 marks. Okay, minimum 2 to 3 puzzles you can expect under intelligence and critical reasoning. First, see, while solving puzzle type question, you may feel interest, but it will waste your time when we see under exam point of view. So first, try to cover the topics like number series, coding, decoding, distance and direction, blood relations and all, and then try to solve puzzle type questions. Okay, I hope you got some idea regarding this May MAT examination. All the best, students. Now